Okay, today we're featuring a certified pre-owned 2017 Honda Accord LX. It's got 36,000 miles on it, crystal black pearl in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It's got the nice chrome trim around the windows, chrome door handles. Driver's side of the Accord's in good shape. Make your way across the rear of the vehicle. It does have rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Exterior is really good on this Accord. Once again, it's certified. It's a 17. It's got 36,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay. It does have black cloth seating. Alright, driver's seat's in good shape. It does come with a keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat cloth looks good. Alright, no problems there. It is an automatic. Got your power outlet down there, right behind. Okay. Dual climate controls. AM, FM, CD player. Alright, you're going to have your radio display right there with the backup camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. Got your steering wheel audio controls here, and Bluetooth here. Then you got your Econ button here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. It's got 36,137 miles. Now that we've got it started up, go ahead and show you the radio display. Alright, go ahead and activate the backup camera. Let me dim that down for you just a bit. Let's see. Alright, you can see it's got the guidelines on there as well. Alright, once again, your AM, FM, CD player, and then your dual climate controls. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels back here look good. Carpet's nice and clean back here, no staining. Alright. Back seat cloth looks good. Seats are in good shape. Got the center armrest that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look at your trunk space. Alright, carpet back here looks good. As you can see, there is a ton of room in the back of these Accords. Go ahead and lift this up. Got your jack there and the spare tire. Okay. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. So we got some size 17s. Let's see. Yeah, 16-inch alloys. Okay. Got the nice black trim throughout here. Brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2017 LX Accord, 36,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.